Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application dedicated to the design field. If you are a designer, you cannot afford to miss it. Please visit the Archmaster official website to start using it. We have already started creating video tutorials for Archmaster and will continue to update them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster are strongly encouraged to subscribe to our channel. During your design work, when you find two architectural reference images with distinct styles that you admire and need to integrate their styles, what should you do? Archmaster has anticipated this requirement and developed a specialized tool called ImageFusion. With it, you can blend two different architectural styles into a new design with a single click. This video will provide a detailed explanation of how to use the ImageFusion tool in Archmaster. Okay, let's begin. First, locate the AI tool's interface on the Archmaster homepage. Then find ImageFusion and click to enter. Upload two reference images. Once the images are selected, choose the output size for the new image. It is recommended to select 2K for higher clarity. In the image ratio settings, select the desired aspect ratio for the output image. If you are a VIP member, you can choose to generate two images in the number of pictures option. In the additional description field, you may enter a prompt to guide the style of the generated image or leave it blank. Once all settings are configured, click the generation button. After a short while, the new images will be generated. You will observe that the facade retains the horizontal, streamlined white lines from the first image and adds vertical red lines from the second image. Try uploading different architectural images. The generated images will combine white perforated panel facades with glass curtain walls. Next, attempt to upload images of buildings with curved facade elements. The newly generated architectural images will integrate features from the reference images, featuring both horizontal lines and expansive glass flooring. The ImageFusion tool is not limited to architectural renderings. It can also be used to merge other types of drawings, such as landscape plans. This allows you to preserve the original general form while incorporating landscape elements. You can further manipulate the generated images by using them in subsequent fusions with other images to inspire more creative designs. Similarly, for interior design, the process is just as straightforward. After replacing the second reference image, new interior design renderings can be generated. If you wish to alter the outdoor environment, select the base image that includes a sea view and increase the reference degree. This will generate images of seaside villas. Experiment with other interior design fusion effects by merging landscape and plant images to incorporate specific vegetation into your landscape renderings. To introduce water features, simply upload images with aquatic elements. The newly generated images will include both lawns and water landscapes. To achieve more precise control over the fusion of two images, adjust the reference degree after uploading the reference images. By default, the reference degree for both images is set to 0.5, resulting in an even blend of features from both images. Increasing the reference degree of the first image to 1 will generate a result that more closely resembles the first image. The contours of the white building will appear more complete. Setting the reference degree of the second image to 1 will increase its prominence, resulting in more red areas in the generated image. Adjust the reference degree according to your specific requirements. If you have only one image, you can access the online library, which provides a wide range of reference images of different types to meet your needs. That concludes the content of this video. Should you encounter any issues during usage, please feel free to leave comments in the comments section, and I will respond to each one individually. For those interested in Archmaster, please remember to subscribe to our channel. I will also post the Archmaster website link in the comments section for everyone's convenience. See you next time.